Popular API course refresher training online by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Welcome everyone. Are you a mechanical engineer, inspection engineer, QA/QC professional, welding engineer, asset integrity specialist, reliability engineer, maintenance engineer, or engineering manager working in the oil and gas, petrochemical, refinery, power, chemical, manufacturing, or EPC industry? Do you want to refresh your knowledge of internationally recognized API codes and stay updated with the latest engineering practices? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we are introducing our comprehensive popular API codes refresher training program designed specifically for engineering professionals and corporate organizations across the globe. This live online training enables professionals to strengthen technical competency, improve inspection capabilities, enhance asset integrity, reduce operational risks, and comply with internationally accepted engineering standards. Whether you are preparing for career advancement, technical interviews, certification preparation, or corporate competency development, this program is designed to deliver practical industrial knowledge that can be immediately be applied in real projects. Why API codes matter? The American Petroleum Institute, commonly known as API, develops globally accepted engineering standards that govern the inspection, maintenance, repair, design, fabrication, and operation of industrial equipment. Today, API codes are implemented throughout oil and gas industries, refineries, petrochemical plants, LNG facilities, chemical industries, power generation plants, offshore platforms, pipeline companies, storage terminals, engineering procurement and construction companies, manufacturing industries, inspection agencies, asset integrity organizations. Organizations rely on API codes to ensure equipment safety, mechanical integrity, regulatory compliance, environmental protection, risk reduction, operational reliability, extended equipment life, lower maintenance costs. Professionals possessing strong API knowledge are highly valued worldwide because they directly contribute to safer and more reliable industrial operations. Now, sorry, objectives of this refresher training. Let us see this. The objective of this refresher training is not merely to read the codes. Our goal is to help professionals understand latest code requirements, inspection methodologies, engineering applications, damage mechanisms, fitness for service evaluations, risk-based inspection, welding practices, maintenance strategies, and practical industrial case studies. Participants will refresh their knowledge through practical discussions rather than theoretical classroom lectures. Training models. Now let us briefly discuss the training models included in this program. API 510 Pressure Vessel Inspection Code. Duration 24 hours. Topics include pressure vessel inspection, remaining life assessment, repair procedures, alterations, inspection intervals, corrosion evaluation, documentation, code compliance, practical inspection examples. API 570 Piping Inspection Code. Duration 24 hours. Participants learn piping degradation, inspection planning, thickness monitoring, corrosion management, repair methods, remaining life calculations, fitness evaluations, industrial case studies. API 653 Above ground storage tank inspection. Duration 24 hours. Topics include tank inspection, bottom evaluation, roof inspection, settlement analysis, repair procedures, tank maintenance, inspection planning, compliance requirements. API 571 Damage mechanism affecting fixed equipment. Duration 60 hours online. Understanding damage mechanism is essential for every inspection engineer. Participants study hydrogen damage, stress corrosion cracking, creep, fatigue, corrosion, erosion, metallurgical failures, failure prevention. API 577 Welding inspection and metallurgy. Duration 16 hours. Topics include welding metallurgy, heat treatment, welding defects, material selection, inspection techniques, acceptance criteria, repair welding, quality assurance. API 57/ASME FFS 1 Fitness for service. Duration 24 hours. one of the most valuable courses for inspection professionals. Participants learn equipment assessment, crack evaluation, corrosion assessment, remaining life determination, engineering calculations, decision making, repair versus replacement. API 580 risk-based inspection. Duration 16 hours. Organizations today increasingly implement RBI. Training covers risk analysis, probability assessment, consequence analysis, inspection optimization, maintenance planning, risk reduction, asset prioritization. API 936 refractory inspection. Duration 24 hours. Participants learn refractory materials, installation practices, inspection methods, quality control, testing, repair, industrial furnace applications. API 650 welded storage tanks. Duration 24 hours. Topics include tank design, fabrication, welding requirements, inspection, testing, construction requirements, quality control. API 620 low pressure storage tanks. Duration 24 hours. Participants understand design philosophy, material selection, fabrication requirements, inspection, construction, safety requirements. API 1104 welding of pipelines. Duration 24 hours. Training includes pipeline welding, qualification requirements, welding inspection, repair welding, acceptance criteria, quality management. Benefits to organizations. Why do organizations sponsor their engineers for refresher training? Because competent engineers reduce operational risk, organizations benefit through improved inspection quality, higher equipment reliability, reduced shutdown costs, improved maintenance planning, regulatory compliance, enhanced safety culture, reduced failures, improved productivity, better documentation, competent engineering workforce. Training also helps organizations satisfy competency requirements under various international management systems and engineering best practices. Who should attend? This program is highly recommended for mechanical engineers, inspection engineers, QA/QC engineers, welding engineers, NDT personnel, maintenance engineers, reliability engineers, corrosion engineers, asset integrity engineers, plant engineers, engineering consultants, third-party inspectors, EPC companies, engineering managers, plant managers, fresh engineering graduates, corporate technical teams. Why choose URGS International? At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we believe technical training should create measurable value for both professionals and organizations. Our training programs are delivered by experienced industry experts with extensive practical knowledge across oil and gas, petrochemical, power, manufacturing, and process industries. We offer live online instructor-led training, corporate and in-house programs, interactive learning sessions, real industrial case studies, latest API codes updates, practical engineering discussions, flexible training schedules, customized corporate learning solutions, regular monthly batches. Our mission is to help engineers and organizations improve technical excellence, strengthen compliance, and achieve operational reliability. At last, conclusion, closing and call to action. See, engineering excellence begins with continuous learning. API codes continue to evolve and staying updated is essential for maintaining safe, reliable, and efficient industrial operations. Whether you are an individual professional looking to advance your career or a corporate organization seeking to enhance the competency of your engineering teams, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is your trusted partner for professional engineering training program, engineering trainings. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp for your queries. More live online training. All these trainings will be provided online through Zoom or MS Team worldwide. Regular batches every month. We have weekend batches, 5 Sundays batches, evening batches for working professionals. We also offer customized corporate training programs tailored to your organization's technical requirements. We can provide on-site trainings also to industries worldwide. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional engineering training videos covering API, ASME, ASTM, AWS, ISO, NES, ASNT, and other internationally recognized engineering standards. Thank you for watching. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, empowering engineers, strengthening industries, delivering engineering excellence worldwide. Thank you.